dear students, welcome to your social science virtual class. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the compass to know the directions. Today, we will discuss about cardinal directions and its importance. The four cardinal directions or the cardinal points on the compass are north, east, south and west. These you have done in third class also. North and south points are towards the north pole and south pole. This arrow shows the north direction. These north and south directions are the main directions. The cardinal directions are also written as N, E, S, W. It is important for all of us to have knowledge of directions. If you do not know the directions for your school, you can go in the wrong direction. So, cardinal directions help us in many ways. Cardinal directions help us to find the way around our locality. In our locality, wherever we want to go, we can use these cardinal directions. Next is to read and give directions. If we are aware about cardinal directions, then we can read the directions easily and we can give directions to other also. Next, to follow the directions given by others. With the help of these cardinal directions, we can follow the path which is shown to us by others. Next is to reach our destination without wasting time. If we are aware about cardinal directions, then we can reach our destination very easily. But if we are not aware about directions, then it's very difficult for us to find out the proper way for our destination, and that will waste our time. Now we will discuss about intermediary directions. As there are four cardinal directions, north, south, east and west. In same way, we are having four intermediary directions also. We can also call them intermediate directions. Look at the given picture. These are four intermediary directions marked between the four cardinal directions. The intermediary direction between the north and the east is called northeast and marked by NE. North and south are the main directions. So, the names of intermediary directions will start from N and S, not from E and W. Remember this thing, always these intermediary directions will start from N and S. The intermediate direction between south and east is called the southeast and marked by SE, not by ES. In same way, intermediary direction between north and the west are called northwest and marked as NW, and intermediary direction between the south and west are called southwest and that are marked as SW. In earlier times, when there was no compass, at that time man followed landmarks to reach his destination. A landmark is a familiar site, important building or any signpost. Even now also, people use landmarks to reach a place or to direct others. In olden times, the sailors at the sea followed the movement of sun during the day and the stars at night for directions. Shape and size of rocks helped the mountaineers and the travelers made marks on the trees in the forest. Yes, students, for revise this chapter or this e-lecture, read page 70 to 72 of your book. Thank you.